Bekle, sabret. Tamam, sakin ol.
Allah Allah.
Senin için çalışıyoruz.
Sus.
Tamam.
Sus. Şöyle eşek.
Yok yapma, öyle yapma. Yazık, korkmasın iyice. Bak ayağı var orada bak.
Gördüm. Kızım.
Lan yavrusu da var burada.
Aba.
Ana. Çabuk
Vallahi
çabuk
yavru
çabuk
var
çabuk
ha.
çabuk çabuk. Yavruları da var altta. Gel. Hadi sen çıkabilirsin. Gel hadi gel. Vay 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 vay. Çabuk 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 çabuk. Gel. Hadi aç şöyle aç şöyle aç. Şimdi boğulur onlar ya. Tamam dur tamam sakin ol. Anneyi çıkardık toprağın altından. 45 dakikalık savaş sonrasında. Şimdi yavrular var. Doktor bey uğraşıyor, veteriner beyimiz. Yavrulara ulaştık herhalde. Evet bir tanesine ulaştık kardeş. Evet birine ulaştık. Çıkar çek 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 çek.
Geldi geldi geldi.
Hello and welcome to vlearnias. So today our first article, which is about the vaccination against the chikungunya virus. Okay, so this is the new vaccine that is called Ixchiq. So this is considered as the world's first vaccine against the chikungunya virus. Okay, so till this time there is no vaccine. So now there is a vaccine. This is the world's first vaccine. So who approved this? This is from US Food and Drug Administration. Okay, actually this is a single shot vaccine for people aged 18 and older. Okay, who face an increased risk of exposure to the virus. So for this category, Ixchiq vaccine is provided, or the indications for the Ixchiq vaccine. The main scenario is here because of the increased risk of exposure to chikungunya virus. So it is mainly happening in the persons who have compromised immune system. When we come to the UPSC aspect, it is relevant in GS paper 3, that is from scientific innovations and discoveries, as well as the health portion. So about the chikungunya. Actually, we know that chikungunya, it is a mosquito-borne viral disease, and this name is derived from the local Kimakonde language, means to become contorted, and evoking the stooped appearance of patients suffering acute joint pain. So this is just about the chikungunya. Here the important point is like mosquito-borne viral disease. So about its transmission, it is transmitted to the people through the bite of an infected mosquito. And also there is Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus mosquitoes are there. Okay, and these are the same mosquito which already transmit the virus that is called dengue virus. So weather condition is the important scenario for the breeding and survival of these mosquitoes. So the chikungunya is mainly related to the weather conditions. Okay, so there are lots of reasons are there for the spreading of this chikungunya. The major reasons are urbanization, that is the haphazard urbanization, as well as the improper waste management, like the solid and the deficient water management. So all these things are the major reasons, and also the absence of specific antiviral drug or the vaccine. As we already know, there are no vaccines or antiviral drugs which is available to cure the chikungunya. Because the treatment is mainly based on the symptomatics. Okay, and also there are certain government initiatives have been to control took in order to control the chikungunya. The first one is about the NVBDCP, that is the National Vector Borne Disease Control Program. Actually, this is a comprehensive program. It controls some of the vector-borne diseases. So that vector-borne diseases are malaria, filaria, kala azar, Japanese encephalitis, dengue, as well as chikungunya. So these are some of the vector-borne diseases which is included in the program, that is the NVBDCP, that is the National Vector-Borne Disease Control Program. Also, this is work under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. So moving to our next article, which is about the Portuguese era coins, that is the copper coins which have been found recently in Goa. So about the Portuguese are the first one to come to India. So they just hold over coastal areas. Why? The reason is the naval power. Okay, so by the end of the 16th century, Portuguese brought Goa, Daman Diu and Salsette. So this is about some aspects of Portuguese. So moving to some impacts. First one is about the economic impact. So here the Portuguese were moreoverly concentrating on the trade and commerce. So it created or established a monopoly over the space trade. And in order to achieve the trade, they have established warehouses, markets, as well as the custom offices. So what happened? All these things will lead to the development of trading post. So the trading posts have been along the Arabian Sea. Actually, Goa, it's a strategic location because it served as a gateway for the trade between Europe, Asia, as well as Africa. So by all these things, it flourished the Portuguese system or the Portuguese empire. And also they introduced some of the cash crops and they promoted some of the cultivation of crops like the tobacco, sugarcane, as well as the cashew. They have introduced new farming techniques, irrigation systems, and crop rotation methods. They done lots of things in order to generate the revenue. So this is about today's session. I hope you all got it. Thank you.